Welcome to the boiler room. After the Civil War, Fairfax County, Virginia became more populated, and eventually an insane asylum was built there. No one wanted to live near the asylum, and because of the public outrage, the institution was eventually shut down. The administration began to transfer the patients, and in 1904, the process was completed. However, during the transfer, some of the patients escaped and hid in the surrounding woods and forest. These individuals were lost, delusional, and dangerous. Most of them were found except Marcus Lauster and Douglas Griffin. The local authorities found a trail they believed belonged to them, littered with half-eaten, mutilated bunnies. The trail led deep into the woods to a tunnel bridge crossing a wide creek. There they found Marcus hanging from the tunnel entrance. There was a note attached to his foot that said, "You'll never find me no matter how hard you try." Signed, the BUNNYMAN. That tunnel has been called BUNNYMAN Bridge ever since. The legend says that if you walk all the way down the tunnel at around midnight, the BUNNYMAN will grab you and hang you from the entrance of the bridge. Strange deaths and phenomena has been connected with the BUNNYMAN Bridge. There was a young man from Clifton, Virginia, who came upon the bridge while traveling. Later, he killed his parents and dragged their bodies into the woods to hang them from the bridge, and then killed himself. In 1943, 3 teenagers, 2 men and a young woman, were at the BUNNYMAN Bridge for Halloween night. The 3 youths were found dead, hung from the bridge with their bodies slashed open, all with notes attached to their feet saying the same thing: "You'll never catch the BUNNYMAN." In 2001, after hearing the tale, 6 local students and a guide searched the area. They found mutilated bunny parts during their search, and left the forest after they heard noises and saw figures moving around in the woods. Hey, there's plenty of room here in the boiler room, and we'd love you to join us. So head over to www.talesfromtheboilerroom.com and submit your stories.